Welcome to Prime Picks Tutorials, your go-to channel for unboxings, assembly guides, and step-by-step how-to tutorials. Today, we are going to show you a simple trick to draw perfect circular shapes on PVC pipes. We use these old PVC pipes to do it. Hello everyone! Usually, we use a marker to draw a circular shape for our water supply, but the line we often draw turns out crooked and ugly. When we cut along this line, the cutout is also uneven. So, how can we use a marker to draw a standard circular shape when we encounter this situation? Today, I will teach you a useful little trick. We use these old PVC pipes to make a circular positioning device so we can accurately draw a circular shape. First, we find a small clip like this. Then, we cut out a small piece of the PVC pipe. We cut out a gap and put the clip on top. Let's take a look. We cut out the gap first. It's like making a movable buckle. We can adjust it up and down. We cut it out like this, leaving a gap. That makes it convenient for us to put it on the pipe. It can clip onto the tube and move up and down. We can adjust the height however we want. Then we take this off and find a clip like this. After we have the clip, we fix it on here. We can use hot glue, just a few points to fix it. We clamp it like this. After the hot glue dries and cools, we clamp the pen onto the clip. After the hot glue dries, it looks like this. It's still tight. The clip can still be opened. We clamp the marker onto this. After the clip is closed, we put it on here. Then we put this tube here as the top and bottom adjustment pillar. We'll put it here later. First, we fix it onto this. We use hot glue again to fix the base. After the hot glue dries, it looks like this, very solid. After the clip is fixed on the pen, we lock it onto this. It can be adjusted up and down. We can adjust it in any direction through the pen. It can be rotated 360 degrees. No matter where we are, we can easily draw a circle. The height is adjustable. After that, we can draw a standard circular shape. We just need to move this tube. No matter how big the original difference is, it will become a standard circular shape. Like this, right? This is a standard circular line. We can adjust it up and down. We adjust it lower. Let's test the effect now. Let's see. We rotate this tube here. It's like positioning it with a marker and drawing a line at the same time. The line drawn like this is very standard because our marker has not moved. It's simple and easy. Friends, how do you usually draw a circular line? You can leave a message below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning how to draw perfect circular shapes with PVC pipes, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more unboxings, tutorials, and smart product guides from Prime Picks Tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video.